Welcome all to the black hole of exploring knowledge, the analysis hole. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for further notifications to my upcoming videos. So, the multiple choice questions on A Bright Song by Christina Rossetti. What is the central theme of Bright Song? Its answer is the journey of a bride to her groom. In Bright Song, the bride's journey symbolizes what? A metaphysical journey towards marriage. What natural elements are prominently featured in the poem? Mountains and rivers. How does Rossetti convey the bride's anticipation in the poem? It is through vivid descriptions of her surroundings. Which literary device is frequently used in a bright song to enhance its imagery, its metaphor? The tone of a bright song can be described as joyful. In the poem, what does the land of spices represent? It's a dreamlike destination. Christina Rossetti's bright song primarily explores the emotions associated with a new beginning. The bride in the poem speaks of purple shadows. This imagery suggests a sense of peace and tranquility. What is the poem's structure? It is traditional rhyme scheme with regular meter. Which of the following best describes the bride's emotions throughout the poem? It's excited and joyful. What does the citron groves imagery in the poem likely symbolize? It symbolizes fertility and abundance. The phrase Snow White fawn in the poem is an example of metaphor. How does the bride describe the bridal dawn? As radiant and hopeful. In the poem, what does the journey's end represent? It is the beginning of married life. The repetition of she at the beginning of several lines is an example of anaphora. What do the orange flower and rose leaf signify in the poem? It's purity and love. Which phrase best captures the poem's exploration of time, days of old? The imagery of echoing bows in the poem suggests harmony and continuity. The poem's setting can be described as rural and pastoral. What does the bride's anticipation for her new life reveal about her character? It's her eagerness and optimism. The use of sensory details in the poem primarily serves to evoke a rich and vivid experience. How does the bride's description of her surroundings reflect her emotional state? It is through vivid and lively imagery. The term sweet unrest in the poem suggests unfulfilled desires. Which of the following best represents the bride's view of her destination? It's peace, it's a mystical and enchanted land. The mention of bright white dove in the poem is a symbol of peace and purity. The poem's language and style are characterized by lyrical and ornate description. The reference to winding ways in the poem suggests a complex and uncertain journey. In the context of the poem, the blue sky symbolizes freedom and possibility. How does the poem reflect Victorian values and themes? It's through its emphasis on nature and emotion. And the last question, what role does nature play in the poem? It plays as a backdrop to the bride's emotions. So that's all for this poem, and keep watching.